Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, if you guys could please smash that like button, I'd really appreciate it. If you guys leave a comment down below, even better. Super helps the channel out, helps the videos become more viewable to other people that haven't subscribed yet, and so on. So anyways, it's Monday morning, bright and early. We're back at the shop. Had a pretty good weekend. Went out to a little cars and coffee yesterday morning. I'll be uploading a vlog shortly on that. Other than that, we just kind of relaxed, you know. So Carmen and I went out to Buffalo Wild Wings and enjoyed the football game. And yeah, so we are back at the shop. Friday, we did have enough time to finish the 2006 Ford Mustang. Now what we did was install a set of Ford Performance lowering springs. Now while we were doing this vehicle, we did notice severe brake wear. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but brake rotors are shot. This guy also was having problems with the transmission and as far as the clutch. And it does appear that it is slipping under full acceleration. It does slip for a bit until it finally grips and gets traction. Well, not traction, but as far as the clutch grabs. So I got to get him a quote on brakes and a clutch replacement for this. But so far I did test drive the vehicle after the spring install, and he also has some extreme camber wear on the inner part of his tire. So he does need an alignment, but his struts and rear shocks were pretty blown too. So we are going to recommend quite a few things for him to do. But these lowering springs, they are just kind of like a sport suspension package that you'd probably see on like a Roush Mustang or a Celine or, you know, something like that. So they work probably an optional spring as well. So they're not like a full coilover dumped on the ground or anything like that. But it is a pretty nice lowering. So as of right now, it probably hasn't settled yet, but we do have a 1/2 inch drop in the front, and it did about 1.5 inches in the rear. So with that being said, I did record the measurements, so I wanted to show you guys. We have, to begin with, we are 28 inches in the front, and when we were done, it was 27.5. In our rear was at 29.25, and when we were done, it was 27.75. So about 1.5 inches in the rear drop. And that's for an 06 Mustang, factory Ford Performance springs. Here is the original springs. We'll give those back to the customer. If he doesn't want those, then we'll go ahead and throw those up on eBay and get rid of them. So yeah, there it is, guys. We also were able to get our right-hand drive turbo Civic into the glass shop. So it is getting rear glass and tint. Hoping to hear from them today as far as pickup. If not, I'm sure by tomorrow or sometime early this week, we'll be able to pick that up. So I wouldn't be surprised though if he gets a hold of me early morning today and says that it's done. So over the weekend, I took the Del Sol home. So if I have space inside my shop, I like to try to park my vehicles inside, keep some protected from theft, of course, but just out of the weather, and keeps the parking lot a little more clear as well. So it'll have space inside. I like to keep my vehicles parked inside. Inside the spray booth, we'll go this way. Nothing too special. I do have a 2021 Ford Transit 250 getting dropped off today, and tomorrow Mikey comes in and I'm going to have him start on the 2016 Ford Fiesta repair. Now today I'm going to be cutting in the front right fender and the under hood of the 2016 Ford Fiesta. Now we still have some hood hinges coming that we don't have yet, and that's okay. We'll just have to get them cut in as soon as I get them. But for now, I do want to get the underhood cut in as well as the fender, so those can be installed as soon as possible. Of course, awaiting the hood hinges, but we can just cut those hood hinges in with white epoxy and throw some base coat and hardener on them as well. And so that'll only take a few minutes if we get them last minute. But hopefully we'll have those today, maybe tomorrow, we'll see. But the hood can't go on until after that. But I do want to fully clear coat the under hood, so I do want to let that finish and cure overnight. That way we have a nice under hood, because our under hood cover on our 2016 Fiesta repair is like already kind of falling off. And you can already see somebody put like duct tape under it to try to hold it, and it was already kind of hanging. And when I see that, it's just like, let's just get rid of it. It just looks like crap. So anyways, we're gonna be cutting in our under hood and fender for our Ford Fiesta. And cutting in, guys, means we are painting the jam part of the fender. The part that when it's installed in the vehicle, you can't get to. Now, back here will be covered by the door, so you can't paint that once it's installed. So we don't wanna open the door and see black. So we're gonna be fully refinishing the edges of the fender and the underside of the hood. Now, we're not gonna be painting the face. We also have a dent here that we gotta fix. So, but we won't be fixing that until we get this on the vehicle, because I believe the fender was jammed up against the door and we have some frayed paint on the edge. So we will technically have a little bit of body work to do and some high build primer to apply. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Nothing too crazy this week, but we do have a good week. We also have the Ford Windstar van that we put a motor and transmission in. Everything's good, but we do have a faulty power steering pump. That's actually the second one that we put in there, and it's just not working out. We also had bad luck with, actually our customer had bad luck with about 3 alternators from O'Reilly's too. So sometimes these parts, guys, are just cheaply made and they don't hold up, but luckily the parts stores are pretty good with warranting out parts. So anyways, we also are going to be installing a SRS clock spring. Now this is the part that the airbag and the horns and all the steering wheel controls go through. This was what enables the steering wheel to turn while having wiring and buttons and switches on the steering wheel. So it's kind of like a gyro, I guess you'd say, on like a BMX bike. We also are going to be replacing his passenger side door lock actuator is not working. So we have a brand new door lock actuator right here. I did pick up a radiator cap for my Del Sol, but it did not fit my aftermarket radiator. So I will be returning that. We also have a H4 high beam, low beam headlight bulb to install on a Toyota Prius for the neighbor. And we also have a set of H7 LED high beam, low beam that we are going to be installing on a Mercedes. Now, on high-end vehicles, they usually have indicators as far as like a headlight being out. Now, I did warn the customer that installing LEDs a lot of times will throw those warnings and messages on his display, and he wasn't worried about it, just wants the cool look of the LED. So we got some LEDs, so we're going to try to see if we can't squeeze him in this week. So today we have Ford Windstar coming in. We're going to hopefully get the parts all switched over on that. We also have another warranty on a power steering pump on a Ford F-150. We're going to be quoting the customer of the Mustang some repairs for the clutch, the brakes, and we'll also invoice him for the lowering. And we're going to be cutting in the fender and the hood. And also I have the 2021 Ford Transit coming in for repair, so I'm going to be trying to get that dent fixed, repaired, and high build primed today. Tomorrow Mikey's coming in, so we'll probably be working on the GSR Integra as well as the 2016 Ford Fiesta. Now, something else I did pick up also, and I'll probably post a video on my Instagram and Facebook, but I have a pressure washer attachment that's made for spraying underbodies. It worked really, really, really good. I think I paid around 30 or 40 bucks for this. Comes with a couple different attachments, but basically I hooked it to my electric pressure washer, and it allowed me to roll under the vehicle and spray all the dirt, debris, motor oil, all the good gunk and stuff out from the underside of a truck. So very pumped to be able to do that on other cars. It will help for prepping for like undercoating and like touching up frames and stuff. So very pumped on that. So yeah, if you guys are interested, take a look at my Facebook and Instagram, and I'll probably post up a video, short little video of that in action. So I want to thank you guys again for watching my channel. Like this video, leave a comment down below. I don't care what it is. You can just put a period. I don't care. Helps the channel out, helps the videos out. So I got lots planned. I got so much planned. It's I don't know if you guys have ever made videos before, but they take a lot of work, dedication, and a lot of time, and also a lot of money's worth of equipment, cameras, microphones, editing software, high-speed internet, of course, all that good stuff. So I do appreciate you guys all watching, and appreciate that. I already filmed a really good DIY for night shading taillights, so as soon as I have some time, I will be editing that and getting that up on the channel. But I also have a list of other DIYs and things I want to show you guys too, for some cool things that you can do on your own vehicles. So keep an eye out, guys. The channel, I have lots of plans for it, lots of builds planned. Spring is among us. Summer is among us. We're gonna be doing cruises, car meets, car runs, fun stuff. The doors will be open. We'll have more daylight early, more daylight at nighttime. Lots of projects in the works, so the channel is gonna get even better. More projects, more content for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys some more things. So this channel, like I said, is for you guys, not me. I do enjoy making the videos for you guys, and so I appreciate all the feedback. I promise to reply to each and every question, each and every comment, so as long as I can. So really pumped on the growth of the channel so far. It took me about a year to get to 100 subscribers, and in about 60 days I'm almost at 200 subscribers. So anyways, really pumped. So thank you guys for watching. Anyways, like this video, leave a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.
Ooh, like LeBron, though, or like Lonzo. Ooh, I'm a baller, yeah, shot caller, yeah. They love me, you can't touch me, nah, can't trust me. I'm too lucky. Look at me, look at you, what you see, what you do.